In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Machic, that's electronic store WooCommerce theme. So, to download this theme, use our affiliate link in the description to download the script. Again, to download this script, use our affiliate link in the description to download this script for this theme. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. So after downloading the script or purchasing the script, go straight to our dashboard. So our dashboard, here is our dashboard. This is the dashboard. From the dashboard, I go to appearance. From the appearance, as you can see, here is written customize, wherever the other ones are not, because this is the fourth theme. So I click on add new theme because I've already gotten the theme. Then click on upload theme. Please choose file. Then I select my theme. Here is it. I open. Then click on install now. Then next we click on activate. Then I click on start. I'm activating like this. Next, install. Install plugins. Then next I click on import. Then next, you view your website. I've successfully installed my theme. As you can see, here is my site. So, home, shops. I can make another. Let me make another of this. So, as you can see, then I have to cut. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to use the link in the description to purchase the script. Thank you.